Hey guys, I'll show you a custom boss body that made out of pumpkins in ultimate level building, so let's get to it. And here we are into my test. This is a regular pumpkin. So this is a decoration, you can stomp on it and let's see what's held inside. And you can actually put multiple pumpkins that's shown as a mini boss, or just a boss actually. And here we go, you can stomp on it. And you can fight it using firepower. Health bar information. You can shoot it with your firepower that breaks 2 times. That means it deals 1 damage. And if you stomp it or it just fell, it deals 0.5 damage. For example, is this. This is how 1 damage is. You can multiply it into and health. And you could put something inside after it's dead, like this one. Then you can put them all together. That's the spirit. You can freely damage the boss right now. If you shoot it that way, it does 1.5 damage. Still, for example, boss, I don't care about that anyway. When you have problems when it does die, you should do this. You can use enemy helmet like this, or you can use spawners or mega spawners like this. The gray ones are just normal health, and the red ones are almost dying now. You could actually do this. Copy and paste it, and go on to the health, and you can change it to red ones. Yeah, you can join. Yeah, if you shoot it 5 times, it goes red. Until it dies, you get right. Here's how I make a boss ball for you guys. This is just a me, nothing. And then another example. That thing. How about a demonstration of the 15 health? It looks like this. When you place 6 pumpkins below, you can change it to big old red ones. Here it is. Of course, there's a bug. You put it on slow. Let me get done for this egg.
What the dog doing?
Still another example. My custom custom boss project with a concept health bar. If you play it jumps, it takes itself. That's why we need a boss player for the weak point. So that's all for today, my folks. See you next time. Bye.